Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Jana. I'll be making a sucuk and cheese toast that I love to make in the mornings. You can get this sucuk from Anadolu Good Foods, which is just a little supplier in the north. First, we'll start by cutting the string that attaches the tube and then cutting the little niblet at the end. We'll then proceed by circumcising this so that we're not eating the casing. The casing can be a little bit rough, so you don't want that. This video was actually a year in the making. It's taken me a long time to come up with the plan, get it executed and edit and make it. A little bit of fear came into play. So here we are today. Cut as much as you need. We're going to be cutting them into thin slices. So boom, boom, boom. Like that, like that. Yep, nicely. Beautiful. We'll be throwing these in the microwave to cook them slightly, not too much. Make sure that if you got a really high powered microwave at home, not to overdo it. I put it in the microwave for about a minute. As you can see, these are very thin slices, so if you do overdo it in the microwave, they're going to be really dry. Not good. Then we are going to get a plate, because I don't know how to edit properly, and put it on the rim of a plate that's like this. It has a bit of a dip so that the oil comes down and collects at the bottom. See how beautifully I have placed it around the rim of the plate. From here, I'll be going to the microwave. I'll come back. Look at how good that's cooked. See how it's juicy and not overcooked. When you overcook it in the microwave, it will get really dry and kind of tough. We're using tasty cheese today from Costco I bought. It's a really nice American tasty cheese. I would love it in sandwiches. You could also use any kind of sliced cheese you like. Want to separate them because they're stuck together like friendly people. Nice. Gorgeous. I like to have two slices, one on the bottom of the pieces of sucuk and one on top. Now we got the butter that I've set aside. I'm going to use about half of it for the top. I'm going to spread it evenly and thickly, juicily. Nice. Now I'm going to show you a technique that I've learned from the professionals to put it on toaster. We're going to get it. Would you look at that? Literally dirty toaster. This guy couldn't have been more prepared, could he? That's all right. We'll quickly clean that up. This technique, look at that. Look at that. Just flipped it like that. Oof, professional. All right, now we're going to butter the underside. Going to get that. I'm going to spread that evenly too. And at this point, we've already turned the toaster on, so it's going to be heating really good. This is a sandwich cafe from Sunbeam toaster I believe. I think so. It's really good for making toasties and like sandwich, like cafe style sandwiches. Beautiful. I'm going to wait that to cook. Oh, look at that, guys. We found our first subscriber. Oh, love you, buddy. All right, let's get back to the toasty. It took me a lot of calculation to make this cut for some reason, but here we go. Come on, you can do it. Yep, yep, yeah, yeah, there we go. Oh, I had to go there. Sorry about that. Apparently, there was someone picking up a $5 cooker, so we had to go get money somehow since I won't be making money in the early stages of being a content creator on YouTube. So look at this spread. Look at how the bread splits. That cheese is so tasty. And that is my first video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. There's many more to come. And yeah, subscribe and follow me for more videos. Bye bye.